Ito yung first client for today. Ito naka brand new Honda Brio na Carnival Yellow. Another bumblebee na naman. Yan ang monitor. And yung rear camera niya, nirequest niya ilagay dito sa loob. So yan, na-demo na sa client, tinitingnan na lang niya ang paggamit. Installation, itong client dito sa Mandaluyong City. Now, yung rear camera naka-install dito sa loob ng Mobilio. Okay. So yan, makikita nyo, another one. It's a very clean and professional service. Wala kaming ginagamit dyan na power supply sa cigarette lighter or power outlet nya. And itong client requested a very high-end dashcam, our Lenovo Super AndroidX. So nasa kanya na lahat, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS. Yan, navigation, install ka ng Waze. Pwede ka mag-YouTube, gusto mo mag-Facebook ka dyan, mag-Spotify ka, may ADAS na rin siya. Ano ba, continuous recording after the engine is off, parking monitoring, so kompleto na siya. So yan, makikita niya our Lenovo Super AndroidX, itong upgraded version niya for the year 2021. Itong next client right now, tapos na installation with our accurate GPS tracker with this brand new Toyota Fortuner. So naka-install na yan, na-demo na rin sa client kung paano paggamit ng app. Okay, let me show you kung ganong ka-accurate itong tracker namin locating this Toyota Fortuner right now. Okay, so yan, makikita nyo sa ito yung pinaka mobile app na ng client. So yan yung tracker mismo. So the client is located here in Makati City. So yan yun. So saktong-sakto lang siya, very accurate siya sa binibigay na details ng mapa ng GPS tracker with the actual location ng vehicle. Ayan, dito sa Makati City. Okay, ito yung pang fourth vehicle right now. Then yung pang fifth vehicle, ito ngayon tinatapos na with the installation of Lenovo, our bestseller Lenovo dashcam. So na-install na sa Fortuner, and dito naman sa, so currently matatapos na siya dito sa brand new na Suzuki Jimny. Okay, ang ganda rin ng head unit ng Jimny, 10 inches with our Lenovo dashcam. Of course, naka power box yan, so wala siya naka-plug na power supply sa mga cigarette lighter niya or power outlet yan. Okay, right now ito yung pang-anim na vehicle for today, which is a brand new Mitsubishi Mirage G4. Kulay red, sakto-sakto sa Valentine's Day. So rear camera is already installed, and location is here in Poblacion, Makati City. So tingnan natin. Okay, yan, makikita nyo socket adapter nya, yung power outlet. So yan, free yan, hindi namin ginagamit yan. Very smooth installation. And our top model, itong bestseller model namin since last year pa, itong Anytek 2K12 dual cam dashcam, 12 inches and a 2K resolution. So very unique din yung ano niya, since meron siyang tint na ganito. Kaya nangyari sa front cam niya, meron ganyang vision, so parang naka-shade. And that's the rear camera. Mirror mode, it's a 100% rear view mirror siya.